My name's Joey Nicholson. I'm the Director of Media here at First Baptist Indian Trail. We have 3 different worship services that we have in this facility right here, and then we have a modern worship facility down at the lower end of the parking lot. Between the 2 services, we average between 3,000 and 4,000, plus our online church. So on a typical Sunday morning, we have between 3,500 and 4,500 people that watch our service weekly. When I first joined the team here at First Baptist, I had a vision of where I wanted to go media-wise, stretch the imagination, stretch the creativity. And I joined up with Coda around 5 years ago, and I had a very specific line that I wanted to deal with, certain brands that I'd worked with in the past. So I was able to give Coda those brands and those specifics, and they helped me bring my vision to a reality with the brands that I wanted. In October, I approached Coda. I had this crazy vision of what I wanted to do for Christmas. I wanted to do a split LED wall element, and the only person that I know that I could approach with this idea who knew my vision was Coda. And I said, hey, I have this crazy idea. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I know that you have the resources to help me accomplish it. The vision that I had didn't have a mounting system that was just off the shelf. It's not something that I could just go buy and say, hey, this will work. So they brought in their engineer, and their engineer said, okay, we can build this. It wasn't 2 months later, I had the equipment sitting on my doorstep. And 2 weeks after we installed it, we had a great Christmas, filled the room up, and I could not be more happy about it. Working with Coda has really been a blessing for us. There's been times that we've had issues, and they said, you know what, we'll stop what we're doing and come help you because we know that you have Sunday morning coming, and we know that how important Sunday morning is to the church. Not only have they done that with us, there's been times where they've gone to other churches who've had issues, and they're just as passionate about getting their Sunday mornings up and running as quick as possible each and every week. Back in August of last year, we had an issue with our lighting console. It was out of warranty. It was an older console, and I really wanted to step up our lighting game and get to a place that we needed to be production-wise. So I contacted Coda, and I said, is there any way that you can get me a Grand in May? And he said, I'll see what I can do. And in 2 weeks, I had the Grand in May sitting on my front doorstep, and they were here ready to install it and ready to give us lessons and ready to help us get it integrated for our Sunday morning. And this all happened within a month's time. So I cannot be more happy, blessed, and thankful to not only have the Grand in May here operating right now, but to have Coda partnered alongside me to do that.